Tanamanda Book Club, the Vutango or Fijian Language Pronunciation Guide continued. So let's start. And also, don't forget to watch, listen, and imitate. So let's start. Nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. If you want to see more of the Tanamanda Book Club, please like and subscribe. Mother!